Dolphin pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Align your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Lower your elbows to the floor directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your forearms parallel to each other and the side edges of your mat. Distribute your weight evenly across both forearms. Tuck your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Reach your pelvis up towards the ceiling, then draw your sit bones towards the wall behind you. Keep your knees bent as you lengthen your spine and broaden across your shoulder blades. Then gently begin to straighten your legs. Bring your torso and your legs into the shape of a letter A. Do not walk your feet closer to your hands. Keep the extension of your whole body. If your upper back begins to round, bend your knees again until your spine is straight. Draw your shoulder blades into your upper back and widen across your collarbone. Align your ears with your upper arm. Relax your head, but do not let it dangle. Gaze between your legs or towards your navel. Hold it here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To release, exhale as you gently bend your knees and come back to the floor. Press back into child's pose to rest.